So welcome to the session. In this session we will be drawing an ellipse. In previous videos we have already drawn a straight line, circle and concentric circles. Now this is time to work with an ellipse. So matrix type is matrix, and you can say blackboard and with dimension like x coordinate 500, y coordinate 500, then cb underscore 8 uc3 this one type. Take this type and then try to write the color. So for color type is scalar, 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 and for blackboard put 0 0 0. Now our matrix blackboard is ready. Return 0 because type of function is integer type. Now try to show this image show, and in image show just you write blackboard is ready, and then variable name is black p in lowercase here blackboard, and then semicolon. Now image will come and go, so it should stay on the console. For that we need to write wait key so we can observe it. Now save this and your blackboard is ready. You will be able to observe the blackboard, and the next task is on this blackboard you have to draw an ellipse. So what next? Next is ellipse is a method name where you will be drawing that ellipse on this blackboard. So write blackboard on this blackboard. So then we need center of the ellipse, and after center we need size of the ellipse, and after size we need angle, then a starting angle, then max angle 360 degree, and then we need color. Okay, further we can give type also, but here you can see all red are coming because center is not defined. So center would be in point format. Write point C equals 200 or 250, say 250. Okay, so center is ready here. Okay, center is ready, point C. Then we need size. So for size, say AB, major arc and minor arc, and say 100 comma 200. So size is ready here AB. So in here you can provide AB, length of minor and major arc. Now color is showing in red, so you write a scalar color and give 255. I am giving 255. You can give any color. So here it would be blue color. So this color is gone. Now you can say no any error message is getting prompt. Control S, save this and try to run this program. Okay, so first stop running previous program, it was running. Now I am starting it. Okay, so some error is there. Would you like to continue run the? So no. Let's see where is the error, because center is required. Point C we have given 250 center. No suitable constructor exists to convert int to CB point. Okay, so here let's try giving int and control S, but int not, center would be point only. So point C, what we can do, we remove this equal sign. Okay, so whenever error is coming due to equal sign or assignment, just you remove that. So it will take as center, it will take at minor and major axis, and now run this program. So yeah, here you can see the ellipse. So how we can draw an ellipse? If you want to increase the thickness, so thickness here you can provide, that was default thickness, thickness, and here you can define that thickness is of integer type, integer thickness equal to suppose 3, okay, and then Control S. Now run this program once again. So if you run this program, you can see this ellipse, vertical ellipse has been drawn, okay. If you want to see horizontal, you can check it horizontally also. For example, suppose I am going to write here 200, okay, and this is I am going to write 100. Save this and stop debugging earlier one which was running. Now run this program. You can see it is coming horizontal ellipse. It means major arc is 200 and minor arc is 100. So this is how we will be drawing an ellipse on the blackboard. Thank you for watching.